What if everything you thought you knew about aging was wrong? What if the real fountain of youth isn't locked away in some laboratory or hidden behind expensive treatments, but growing quietly in gardens, forests, and even on grocery store shelves around the world? Most people spend decades searching for the secret to staying young, only to discover too late that the answer was always right in front of them. They chase expensive creams, experimental procedures, and pharmaceutical interventions, while the most powerful anti-aging compounds on Earth grow naturally all around us. Aging isn't just about wrinkles or gray hair. It's happening inside your body right now, at the cellular level. Your DNA is shortening with every cell division. Your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, are slowing down and producing less energy. Inflammation is spreading through your tissues like invisible fire. Free radicals are attacking your cells thousands of times per day. But here's what they don't tell you. Certain plants contain compounds that can actually reverse these processes, not just slow them down, actually reverse them. Today, you're about to discover 20 plants that science has proven can turn back your biological clock. Some of them you've walked past 100 times without a second glance. Others have been treasured by ancient civilizations for thousands of years, their secrets passed down through generations. And a few are so powerful that modern researchers are studying them as potential treatments for diseases we once thought were just inevitable parts of getting old. By the end of this, you'll understand why some people age gracefully, maintaining vitality into their 80s and 90s, while others seem to fall apart in their 50s. And more importantly, you'll know exactly what to do about it. Number 20, evening primrose. Most people see evening primrose as just another wildflower, yellow petals that open at dusk, growing wild along roadsides and in abandoned lots. Nothing special to look at. But inside those tiny seeds lies an oil that dermatologists are now calling one of nature's most effective skin rejuvenators. The secret is gamma-linolenic acid, a rare omega-6 fatty acid that most people are severely deficient in. As you age, your skin loses its ability to produce this compound naturally. The result? That papery, thin skin that seems to appear overnight after 40. The dryness that no moisturizer seems to truly fix. The fine lines that deepen with every passing year. Here's where it gets interesting. Evening primrose oil doesn't just moisturize your skin from the outside, it rebuilds the skin barrier from within. Clinical studies show that people taking this oil experience measurable improvements in skin elasticity and moisture retention within just 8 weeks. Their skin literally becomes younger at the cellular level. But the benefits extend far beyond your skin. That same fatty acid reduces inflammation throughout your entire body. Your joints feel better. Your hormones balance out naturally. Even your brain function improves because your brain is largely made of fat, and it desperately needs the right kinds of fat to stay sharp as you age. Ancient healers used evening primrose for wounds and inflammation long before they understood why it worked. They just knew it did. Modern science is finally catching up to their wisdom. Number 19, flaxseed. You've probably seen these tiny brown seeds in health food stores and walked right past them. They look too simple, too ordinary to do anything important. That's exactly why most people completely miss out on one of nature's most complete anti-aging foods. Flaxseed contains 3 things your aging body desperately needs: omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber. Together, they attack aging from multiple angles simultaneously. The omega-3s reduce inflammation throughout your body, and this isn't just about swollen joints or red skin. Chronic, low-level inflammation is literally called inflammaging by researchers because it's one of the primary drivers of how fast you age. It damages your arteries, shrinks your brain tissue, and accelerates virtually every disease process known to medicine. The lignans are even more fascinating. These plant compounds act like gentle hormones in your body, helping to balance your entire system as your natural hormones decline with age. Studies show they protect your DNA from oxidative damage and may actually extend the protective caps on your chromosomes, called telomeres. Longer telomeres mean younger biological age, period. And the fiber, it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Your gut microbiome changes dramatically as you age, usually becoming less diverse and less effective. Flaxseed helps reverse that decline. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, more stable mood, and even improved skin health. In animal studies, flaxseed supplementation extended lifespan by significant percentages. Most people don't discover this until they're already showing obvious signs of accelerated aging. Number 18. Soy isoflavones. Mention soy and you'll start an argument these days, but while people debate online, populations in Asia who have consumed traditional soy foods for generations continue to age more slowly than almost anyone else on Earth. The science is absolutely clear, even if the controversy remains loud. Soy contains isoflavones, plant compounds that gently mimic estrogen in your body. As natural estrogen levels decline with age, especially in women, your skin loses thickness and hydration, your bones weaken and become fragile, and your cardiovascular system starts to deteriorate. Soy isoflavones can partially fill that hormonal gap. Clinical trials have shown that soy supplementation actually increases collagen production in aging skin. Wrinkles measurably reduce. Skin becomes noticeably thicker and more hydrated. These aren't subtle changes that you need a microscope to detect. They're visible improvements that show up in before and after measurements and photographs. The bone benefits are equally important, but often overlooked. Osteoporosis sneaks up silently over years and decades, and by the time you realize your bones have become fragile, significant damage has already been done. Soy isoflavones help maintain bone density as you age, providing protection that becomes increasingly valuable with every passing year. For men, the high-quality protein content alone makes soy valuable. Maintaining muscle mass becomes progressively more difficult after 40, and muscle mass is directly linked to longevity and quality of life. People who maintain their muscle live longer and stay independent longer. The key is consuming traditional soy foods like tempeh, miso, and edamame, not the heavily processed soy products that line supermarket shelves.
Number 17. Olive leaf and oil. The Mediterranean diet is famous worldwide for extending lifespan and promoting healthy aging, and olive products are absolutely central to that effect. But most people think olive oil is just a healthy fat for cooking. They're completely missing the bigger picture. Olive leaves and oil contain powerful polyphenols, particularly one called oleuropein, that literally activate your longevity genes. These are the exact same genes that get activated during caloric restriction, which remains the only scientifically proven way to extend lifespan in nearly every species ever tested. Here's what makes this remarkable. Your cardiovascular system ages faster than almost any other system in your body. Your arteries stiffen and lose flexibility. Your blood pressure creeps steadily upward. Oxidized cholesterol starts building dangerous plaques. Olive polyphenols directly combat every single one of these aging processes. They improve arterial flexibility, allowing your blood vessels to expand and contract properly, like they did when you were younger. They prevent cholesterol from oxidizing in the first place, which is what actually makes it dangerous. They reduce blood pressure naturally, without medication. And they protect the delicate endothelial lining of your blood vessels from inflammatory damage that accelerates cardiovascular aging. The brain benefits are equally profound. Those same polyphenols cross the blood-brain barrier and actively protect neurons from the oxidative damage that leads to cognitive decline. Long-term studies of Mediterranean populations consistently show significantly lower rates of age-related memory loss and cognitive deterioration. For your skin, both internal consumption and topical application of olive oil reduce visible signs of aging. The antioxidants protect against UV damage, while the healthy fats maintain skin moisture and suppleness. This isn't just a healthy food, it's a comprehensive longevity intervention validated by entire populations living demonstrably longer, healthier lives. Number 16. Dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, collard greens. They all seem too ordinary, 2 every day to be genuinely powerful anti-aging foods. That's exactly why most people eat them occasionally, maybe once or twice a week, and think they're doing enough for their health. They're not even close. Every single population study on longevity and healthy aging reaches the exact same conclusion. People who eat dark leafy greens daily have biological ages that are literally years younger than their chronological ages. Not months younger, not slightly younger, years younger. These vegetables contain a unique combination of nutrients that literally program your cells for longevity. Vitamin K supports both bone density and cardiovascular health by preventing calcium from depositing in your arteries where it doesn't belong. Folate supports healthy DNA methylation, which controls how your genes are expressed as you age. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect your eyes from the macular degeneration that steals vision from so many older people. But it's the nitrates in dark leafy greens that might be most important for aging. Your body converts these compounds into nitric oxide, which dilates your blood vessels and dramatically improves circulation throughout your entire body. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery to every single cell, more efficient waste removal, and better oxygen supply to your brain and organs. Here's what people don't realize until it's too late. These benefits are completely cumulative. Eating a spinach salad once a week does almost nothing for your biological age. Eating dark leafy greens every single day for years and decades literally changes the rate at which your cells age. The people who live to be healthy, vibrant centenarians don't have special genes that the rest of us lack. They have daily habits that compound over time. And dark leafy greens are always, without exception, part of those habits. Number 15. Kudzu. In America, kudzu is invasive. In Asia, it's revered as powerful anti-aging medicine. The contrast shows how we overlook what's right before us. Kudzu contains purin with remarkable effects on vascular aging. Studies show improved circulation, particularly to the brain, where blood flow naturally decreases with age. The collagen-stimulating effects on skin are significant. Isoflavones signal skin cells to increase production, telling aging skin to behave younger. For liver health, kudzu offers protection increasingly important with age. Number 14. Red bell peppers. Sitting in every grocery store, colorful and ordinary, most buy them occasionally, unaware they're seeing one of the highest anti-aging compound concentrations in the plant kingdom. Red bell peppers contain more vitamin C than oranges, plus exceptional carotenoid levels. These don't just prevent damage, they actively repair it. Studies show regular consumers have visibly younger skin, fewer wrinkles, better texture, even tone. The vitamin C stimulates fibroblasts, producing collagen. People spend hundreds on supplements while ignoring the produce section. The fountain of youth sits there, affordable and waiting. Number 13. Licorice root. Real licorice has been used in medicine for 4,000 years. Egyptian pharaohs, Chinese emperors, Greek physicians all recognized something powerful. Science is finally understanding. Licorice contains potent anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation silently drives nearly every aspect of aging. The antioxidants boost your body's own systems, particularly glutathione. For skin aging, licorice reduces hyperpigmentation, soothes inflammation, protects against UV damage. The adrenal support helps maintain healthy cortisol metabolism, preventing stress-accelerated aging. Multiple ancient civilizations independently discovered and treasured this root.
Number 12. Ashwagandha. For 5,000 years, Ayurveda classified ashwagandha as a substance promoting longevity. That's an accurate description of what this herb does. Ashwagandha addresses multiple aging hallmarks: chronic stress, hormonal decline, muscle loss, cognitive deterioration. Stress reduction alone makes it valuable. Chronic stress literally shortens telomeres. Studies show muscle strength improvements in older adults. For men, it supports testosterone. For women, it balances thyroid function. Brain benefits include protected neurons and improved memory. This teaches aging bodies to maintain youthful function. Number 11. Amla. In India, amla has been revered for millennia as one of the most powerful rejuvenating fruits. This Indian gooseberry contains more vitamin C than almost any plant source. The unique combination makes vitamin C far more bioavailable than synthetics. Polyphenols protect it from oxidation. Studies show reduced oxidative stress, protected DNA, supported telomere length. Visible skin effects increased collagen, reduced hyperpigmentation, UV protection. Internally, it supports blood sugar metabolism, liver function, immune response, cardiovascular health. Number 10. Thyme. Probably sitting in your spice cabinet right now. Scientists are discovering certain varieties contain compounds targeting senescent cells, zombie cells, accelerating aging. These cells stop dividing but don't die. Instead, they secrete inflammatory compounds damaging surrounding healthy cells, creating aging cascades. Thyme compounds demonstrated ability to reduce senescent cells in studies. This is cutting-edge anti-aging science from a kitchen herb. Traditional use for preservation extended to preserving youth. Number 9. Peppermint. You've been freshening breath. You had no idea it was reversing aging at stem cell level. Research shows peppermint extracts influence cellular aging markers in stem cells, your body's repair system. Peppermint contains rosmarinic acid, protecting stem cells and activating longevity pathways. The menthol improves circulation. Better circulation means better nutrient delivery, waste removal, oxygen supply. Even NASA studied peppermint for space missions where accelerated aging occurs. Number 8. Pomegranate. Ancient cultures called pomegranate the fruit of immortality. Modern science proves they weren't being metaphorical. Pomegranate contains L-ajatinins. Your gut bacteria convert into urolithin A, triggering uroliphagy. This process clears old mitochondria and generates new ones. Mitochondrial dysfunction is an aging hallmark. Pomegranate reboots cellular power plants. Human studies show improved muscle strength and mitochondrial health biomarkers. This is measurable biological age reversal. Cardiovascular benefits are profound. Improved arterial flexibility, reduced vessel oxidative stress. Regular consumption associates with longer telomeres. Number 7. Blueberries. Tiny berries with massive longevity power. They contain some of the highest antioxidant levels of any food. Anthocyanins cross the blood-brain barrier, accumulating in memory and learning regions. Studies show regular consumption can reverse age-related memory and motor function decline. In animals, they extended lifespan up to 28%. The mechanisms are fascinating, activating autophagy, reducing brain inflammation, protecting DNA, maintaining telomere length. Cardiovascular benefits include improved arterial function and reduced blood pressure. This is cellular rejuvenation you can enjoy with a spoon. Number 6. Aloe vera. Ancient Egypt called aloe the plant of immortality. Cleopatra supposedly used it daily. She understood something science is confirming. Aloe contains over 75 active compounds working together to reverse visible aging. It penetrates deep into skin layers, influencing cellular behavior. Polysaccharides stimulate fibroblasts, producing collagen and elastin. Trials show improved elasticity and reduced wrinkles. But effects go deeper, supporting skin moisture barrier, repairing UV damage, accelerating wound healing. The plant survives harsh desert conditions. Those protective mechanisms provide anti-aging benefits when applied to human cells. Number 5. Ginkgo biloba. This tree survived 270 million years, mass extinctions, ice ages. The compounds helping it survive might help you do the same cellularly. Ginkgo contains flavonoids and terpenoids, targeting age-related circulation and cognitive decline. As you age, Brain blood flow decreases, causing memory problems. Ginkgo reverses this. Studies show improved memory, processing speed, mental clarity. Beyond brain, ginkgo supports vision, protects skin from UV damage, reduces senescence markers. Research shows ginkgo extracts protect telomere length. This addresses aging at its root. Number 2. Green tea. For over 4,000 years, Asian populations have drunk green tea and aged decades slower. Science is catching up. Green tea contains catechins, particularly EGCG, that are cellular powerhouses. These antioxidants actively hunt free radicals before they attack DNA, proteins, cellular membranes. Polyphenols trigger genes producing natural anti-aging enzymes. You're activating your cellular fountain of youth with every cup. Studies show regular drinkers have longer telomeres. Skin aging effects are remarkable, reducing UV damage, improving elasticity, reversing sun damage cellularly. This beverage has hidden anti-aging secrets in plain sight for millennia. Number 1. Shilajit. At number 1, something different. Not a plant, but a compound formed from plants over centuries of decomposition in mountain rocks. Ancient organic matter compressed by geological forces. Found in the Himalayas, shilajit contains fulvic acid and over 85 minerals in ionic form. This is concentrated essence of ancient forests. Fulvic acid improves mitochondrial function fundamentally, enhancing energy production in every cell. The minerals are in absorbable form, becoming part of cellular machinery. Research shows improvements in testosterone, muscle recovery, cognitive function, overall vitality, but more importantly, it addresses cellular aging mechanisms directly. Ayurvedic medicine used it for thousands of years as the ultimate rejuvenator. It's number 1 for comprehensive cellular support. While other plants target specific systems, shilajit provides fundamental building blocks for every cell to function optimally. Here's what this means. Aging isn't inevitable decline you passively accept. It's a biological process influenced by daily choices, accumulating into either vitality or deterioration. These 20 plants aren't magic. They're concentrated evolutionary wisdom, compounds helping species survive and thrive, now available to help you do the same. The tragedy isn't that we age. The tragedy is how many people spend decades ignoring tools that could have changed everything, discovering them too late to reverse damage already done. Your biological age is not your chronological age. People can be 60 with cells of someone 40. Others are 40 with cells of someone 60. The difference isn't genetics, it's daily habits accumulated over years. These plants reward consistency over quick fixes. They provide comprehensive benefits rather than targeting single symptoms. That's exactly what makes them powerful for anyone ready to take control of biological age. The fountain of youth was never hidden. It's been growing around us, validated by traditional wisdom and modern science, waiting for recognition and consistent use. The question isn't whether these plants work. Science is clear. The question is whether you'll start using them before more time passes, or whether you'll be one discovering this information years too late, wishing you'd known sooner. Your cells are aging right now. Every day you wait is accumulated damage, but every day you take action is cellular protection and repair. The choice has always been yours.